very surprised of how many people were actually waiting to come inside. And it's already like 10 o'clock and I wasn't expecting to see all this interest in the salon. I was expecting it to be much harder, much calmer.
Huge, it is just amazing.
I've never seen this thing anyway.
I'm really glad to be here and I'm really glad to see all those beautiful things. I'm really amazed.
I like the design of the bikes.
Loads of good motorbikes and it's good to see these motorbikes.
I like of the aesthetic of bike.
I have never seen a bike who can grow up with a kid. It's very nice. Very nice idea.
I like a lot the KUKA machine and the motorcycles here. The Dakar ones are amazing.